to go from this to this. First pick your hi-hat and drag it to the channel rack. Click on hi-hat and click fill each to step. Now we're done with basic hi-hat, but we're not done yet. Press Ctrl+C, then drag the note. Double-click on the note. Adjust the time knob however you like. Select the note and drag it up to make a higher pitch. Then copy it and move it to a different note. Make sure it's still in your chosen scale. Let go. Drag it and chop. Add some variation by going down note by note. Be careful when you do that. Add some lower notes to create a unique sound. It's not enough. Add a few more low notes. And that's it, we're done.